Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to integrate your Bukku accounting system into Boxify, step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your Boxify account. Click your profile icon in the top right, go to Settings, and choose Bukku Integration from the left side menu. Now head over to your Bukku account. Go to Control Panel, Integration, toggle on the API access, and copy both the access token and subdomain. Then paste them into the corresponding fields in Boxify. Click Save, then hit Get Account ID List to import your chart of accounts. Next is to fill up the order item tax code ID. If your products include tax, select the correct tax code here. To cross-check the sales tax code, open Bukku's Control Panel, Company Setting, Tax tab, and refer to your default sales tax code. Check the account ID list to get the ID number for the order item's account ID and fill it in the correct field. Next is to select the order item's classification code. To match product classification, go to Bukku's Products and Services, open a product, scroll to Location and Categorization. Set the deposit payment method for orders synced to Bukku. For example, bank transfer. Choose your deposit account ID from the list. For example, if the payment is deposited into a bank account and the ID is 3, enter 3 here. For shipping fee account ID, refer to the account ID list above. If you'd like to record shipping under Sales Income ID 20, enter 20. If your shipping fee includes tax, select the tax code. Otherwise, choose No Tax Code. Next, add the shipping fee classification code, following the same method you use to check the product classification code in Bukku. These fields are optional for customs documents like K2 form or Incoterms. Leave blank if unused. You can add them later in Bukku. Finally, click Save to apply all settings. You're now ready to sync orders and invoices to Bukku.